Anyways, yeah, so we're about to run 2. That's funny. Alright guys, so she's there. I'm gonna fluff the tree out a little bit more. Low-key redecorating again. These are all the balls. Everything that we're gonna put on. I'm gonna put the ribbon on. I'm gonna fluff the tree out, fix the lights, and then put some ribbons on. Alright y'all, so I'm in line at Starbucks right now because your girl's currently struggling, holding on by a thread. Say what's up.
What up, fam?
Why is it not focused? Oh, there you go. Say what's up.
Hi. Hi.
So I got my coffee and she has her hot chocolate and Sapphire has her apple juice, applesauce. Let me show you because this drink is life. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm just so amazed at how good this tastes. And it also wakes me up. Anyways, yeah, so we're about to run to... That's funny. We're about to run to Dollar Tree to get some more decor. In the clip that I'm about to show you guys, it has kind of like an overview of what I got at another Dollar Tree store. But then of course I went on Pinterest and it's a dangerous world because it gave me some more ideas of what I could do to the tree. But the tree, guys, it's coming out so beautiful. Like, I'm so beyond excited. Is this guy gonna let me in? Oh, thank you. So cool. So nice. I love when people are nice. Yeah, because some people on the road are just like complete a-holes. They're so rude. All right, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, so now I'm going to another Dollar Tree to get some more things that I've seen on Pinterest, and I'm so excited about it. The tree's coming out so gorgeous, and for the rest of this vlog, I'm going to end it like kind of showing you guys how the tree looks and how I'm adding more things to it to kind of fluff it and fill it out. And that's going to be the end of Vlogmas day 1, y'all. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see what tomorrow brings, because my intention is on like vlogging every day and editing and uploading every day. I know some people may like pre-film theirs, but I think I'm just gonna do some cute, short, quick vlogs for you, upload it, and that sounds like it'll be less time consuming than filming a bunch and editing and uploading. Like, that to me just sounds like a weekly vlog, which is also takes a lot of time and hours, and it's pretty tedious with like editing. And I think that this way, I feel like this way is gonna be less draining and maybe a lot more fun. You know, I'll just do short snippets and videos and stuff, and I think that it's gonna be a lot more fun and authentic. And yeah, you guys got like a quick sneak peek of an everyday life, and it's like Christmas themed, which is my favorite holiday. amongst all of the other ones. Of course, they're all my favorites, but whatever. So yeah, let me stop rambling and I'll see y'all soon. So yeah, that was a fail, guys. Dollar Tree is currently closed because they're building a new one across the street, and that one's not going to be open until December 9th. So I'm gonna just sit tight. Yeah, so even though they don't open until the 9th, I'm kind of excited, and I'm not gonna go to another Dollar Tree because they will be fully stocked. Can you guys imagine a Dollar Tree that has like every single thing and like a bunch of Christmas decor? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna work with what I got, and yeah, so catch y'all later. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna end Vlogmas day 1 with us decorating the tree, filling it and fluffing it out. So this is how the tree looks so far. I made that bow, and then we put the star on. But of course, I've still got this big old basket full of balls to put up. And yeah. So I'm not too discouraged that Dollar Tree is closed because I still got a lot to do here. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up some balls, play some Christmas music, and end the vlog right here. Till tomorrow, y'all.